the 3rd of October and you find us just outside the town of Edam. We're on a marina. What 3 words is ordinary, charitable, steady. Nice view of a windmill there. The weather's a bit pants, but not guaranteed everything, are we? We can't have everything that we want. But anyhow, let's go in and see how cheese is made, I suppose. I know it's dead, but does anybody recognise what type of snake that is? I'll log in you the what 3 words. The place is, as it says there, Volendam. It's about 3.5k walk into Edam, which we're going to do. We're going to walk in. Obviously you could cycle in, or you can get public transport, but we're going to walk because we like to walk. Catch you in a bit. Looks like a meeting of many waterways, one to the right, one straight forward, another one straight forward, and one off to the left. Fantastic, it's lovely. So we're just following the waterway down, canal, whatever you want to call it, and it's lovely, but it's just started to persist down. Anyhow, as I say in the military, skin's waterproof, just crack on, get the job done. Some quaint little houses. It's on the edge of the town. The roofs are so differently designed in the UK. Again, another quaint street. So peaceful. Amazing bridges. Hotel, the Fortuna Edam. Look at the artwork around the windows. (1726). Next door, a little bit older, 1618. And you can see like the boar's head at the top there. (1907). My guess is some of these buildings have been here a little while. Hydration station, I think, but it's not open. So this is where they hold the cheese market when it's on. So although Edam isn't a big place, it's certainly amazing, to say the least. Look at the angle of this bridge here. You can't see it. And then some of the buildings, the architecture, it's amazing. Edam Hotel. looks like another church. Some form of public building, I would say. Or it says museum. Yeah, very impressed. This is one of a few towers in the small village of Edam. Since we started our tour of the Netherlands, one of the things that we have noticed is the amount of older cars, like this old Thunderbird, looking in great nick. I don't know whether it's the weather or what, but I've seen quite a lot of old cars, original cars over here. Nice to see. Oh, I'm loving Edam. We've got a museum here that we're going to go and visit, about one of the things that Edam is famous for. So I think it's tulips. I'm not quite sure, but we'll go and find out what they're saying in the museum. Catch you in a bit. Quaint buildings, amazing. And that's us back out at the cheese market where they sell the flowers. Catch you a bit. So this is the church in Edam. It's huge, on the edge of the town itself, with waterways all around. Somebody fishing. Tight lines, matey. Although the weather's pants, it's not deterring us from walking around. Edam is actually quite an amazing place. If you get a chance, again, come to it. It's actually blown us away at the moment, but catch you in a bit. Now I know I was on the line last night, but look at that, that is definitely overhanging. So we're just having lunch in Edam. Look at this. That's ham and eggs on brown bread. I'll try again. That was cheese and eggs and brown bread. We just got the beef croquettes. Fantastic view. Amazing. So this is where we had lunch. The oldie worldy, traditional, lovely. Right, so that's where we had lunch itself. Hotel, restaurant, the Fortuna. Very traditional, lovely meal, and I would say fairly reasonable for what we had. Catch you in a bit. I don't know if you can see that through there's a heron, another one there, and another one there. And what they're doing is this excavator is just clearing the waterways. It's obviously bringing stuff up, including fish. And these herons, oh, there's another one. They're actually picking them up out of the mud. Amazing. So we left Edam after having lunch in that beautiful hotel, restaurant, and we're now in Volendam. I'm going to have a little discovery around here before we head back to where the motorhome is. There's no way I could live somewhere like this, because some of the states I get into, try to get home, I'll end up in there for certain. But anyhow, let's crack on. Cute seaside front town with some amazing buildings. factory of Volendam. Rather busy back there. That's a tour that's going on.
저기서
Just down at the quayside or waterfront. Again, more hydration stations, cafes, restaurants. Old men sitting about. We think this is some of the older part of the town itself, the original town with the unique buildings. Very nice. So we're just heading back to our park up for the night. Just passing the marina here. Seems quite busy, boats. And then you've got all these fancy looking houses, different colours, different shaped roofs.